Okay, let's get a little bit trickier. If I have a sum like minus 14 plus 21, how am I going to tackle that? Well, I would start by thinking about my empty number line, starting at minus 14 and adding on 21. And I would add on the 1. That'll take me to minus 13. Remember, we're going this way, let's not get confused and go minus 15, minus 13. And then I need to bounce on 10. It's going to take me to minus 3. And then I might start to feel a bit confused. I've got 10 more to bounce on, but I think I'd break that up. I think I would go from minus 3 to 0. That will take me to 0. And then I've got the rest of this 10. I've got 7 more to bounce on. And that's going to take me to 7, because 0 plus 7 is 7. So that's how I tackle that, by doing it by chunking up the number. Let's have a look at another one that's similar. Minus 22 plus 53. If I start down there at minus 22, first thing I'm going to do is add on that 3. And that takes us to minus 19. Again, we're not going to get confused and go the other way. We're coming this way. Then I'm going to do a 10, and that will take me to minus 9. And then the 10 that hops us over the 0, I think I'm going to break up. I think I'm going to do plus 9 to get to the 0, and then plus 1, which takes us to the number 1. You can treat that as a plus 10. And because it's plus 50, I've done 2 of those 10s, I've still got 3 more to do. Let's do them all in one. Plus 30, that takes us to 31. So I'm using this bouncing on method and splitting the 10 that comes over the 0 to help me not get confused as I cross over from my negative numbers into my positive numbers. Let's have a go of a subtraction problem. Got 19 minus 31, and because this 31 is bigger than 19, we know this is going to take us into the minus numbers. So I've got my 19 here, and we need to count back 31. Let's do the 1 first. Minus 1 takes us to 18. And then let's do a 10. That takes us to 8. And then let's split the 10 where it goes over the 0. Let's go minus 8, takes us to 0. Minus 2, that takes us to minus 2, so that's one of our 10s. And I go back and look at the number. I've done my 1, I've done 1 10, 2 10s, need to go back a third 10. That takes us to minus 12. If you want some more examples of that, get directly in touch with me and I can send you more. Because I want to stop now and think about this question. 19 minus 31. Now sometimes that's going to make sense. If I were to say to you it was 19 degrees centigrade and then it got 31 degrees colder, it makes sense to go into minus numbers. But if it was, I have 19 cups and I smashed 31 cups, then it doesn't make any sense at all, and the question's nonsense. So it's always worth thinking, does a minus number make sense? Because sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. So if you're looking at a word problem and you've got this as your sum to do, stop and think. Does a minus number make sense in this situation? Confused by that? Get in touch. I'll be able to help you out. Speak soon, guys. Bye-bye.